In the summer of 1972, while working my way through Occidental College, I was delivering coffee to all the restaurants and hospitals in downtown Los Angeles as a part-time job. I also was delivering for my father on the weekends chemicals to a chrome plating shop in downtown Los Angeles. And delivering one day, I watched a guy putting these toxic materials into a plating vat, and I watched the exposure to those chemicals actually kill him in front of me. And it was such an overwhelming experience that I quit my job, told my dad that we had to make a difference and find a way to solve this problem of these toxic cleaning products being used by industry. My father participated as a Seabee in the Korean War. I was nearly 4 when I met my father for the first time. Because we wanted to make up for lost time, he became my best friend from the time I was 5 until he passed when I was 27. We spent weekends together for nearly 3 years with a periodic table, a chart of what we wanted it to do and what it couldn't do and what it couldn't have in it. Over 100 trials and mistakes and failures before we came up with a formula that worked. It was called Simple Coffee Stain Remover. And in 1977, we were asked to do a test to clean a JCPenney auto center, which we absolutely shocked everyone about how well it worked to clean this auto center. And 3 weeks later, the manager called me and said, look, I want you to watch something. And these guys at the end of the shift were taking Simple Green out of the drum and putting it in their thermoses and taking it home because it works so well. And he said, I think we should do a test and see if you can sell this green shit in a bottle. We started being able to supply JCPenney, Sears, and Pep Boys auto centers with retail silkscreen bottles of actually called Simple Green instead of coffee stain remover. When I interview people to join the team, I let them know that this is not a job, they're not an employee, they're part of a dream. The dream of what I do, and people ask why I continue to do what I do and instead of selling the company or going public. And my job, my mission in life is to see how far I can take this dream and how big of a legacy of our dream we can leave as a good, positive footprint for other people to follow.